properly. So that weight also you need to consider actually in the table, which I have not considered. I've just taken directly the dampers. You can make it more efficient by providing the accurate data by researching on the dampers. So let us go to the last 8 side grid and draw similarly the dampers. So actually I want to show you without dampers and with dampers what are the differences that you can read on my thesis, which I have provided the link in the description. So actually if you provide dampers, the reduction of earthquake response is very much reduced using the dampers. So mostly in new practices where you need to provide a tall building in a small area, and you have a seismic zone, so you can provide dampers to resist the building from collapse. So this helps actually, and also it reduces the deflections of the building in the lateral direction. So like this you can provide the dampers to the building. So let us go out of the drawing mode by clicking on this arrow mark, and now we can check the model and analyze, and also we can set the load combinations. Okay, we can take concrete frame design, and we can assign some earthquake loads so that we can study. Let us take some seismic load according to 1893 IS 1893 2000, and let us see how much actually it reduces the seismic effect. So we can go to modify lateral load. Let us give all the direction, and this is 0.36. Let us give zone 4. Let us take zone 4. I have used zone 4. So these are different. Let us take the eccentricity also. Reduction factor, let us take 3. Importance factor 1. Base is base. Story 6 is story 6. And time to be program calculated. Okay, so I have taken an earthquake load totally of zone 4. Let us go to the analyze now. Let's go to the combinations. Let us see, this has developed the earthquake combinations also. Yes, so now I can analyze, check the model. Let us select all and check the model. If there is any problem in the model, it will show. So the model is checked, there is no warning messages generated. So let us go for analysis now. Set load cases to run. Yes. Model, yeah, model I have not checked. By default it will be 12 modes set by default. Let us go to run now. Diaphragm is already applied, I think. We have given a rigid diaphragm. So it is analyzing the model. You can see the details how it is doing the multilinear effect. So this is how the displacements you can see now. This is due to live load. This is due to earthquake load. Now you can see the effect has been changed. So this has earthquake in the Y direction. So these are different earthquakes applied. So just you can start the animation to see. So how the corners are fixed now. You can see that it is stabilizing, trying to stabilize the building when it is applied with can see how much there is a response reduction in the displacement. You can see very less deflection is there in mode 1. So the building is having very less deflection, around 7 mm. So it is very less deflection is there in the building due to this much of earthquake.
Thôi rồi, còn bóc có đưa ai ăn cho hết mà bóc không biết nữa chứ. Đưa cái chú nó đừng cho ăn được cái gì nữa. Đưa chú mua cái mà đậu mua mất tiền. Em đến đây em phải lấy đây chứ. Đậm chan chú đi, đậm chan không đậm chú không nữa.